Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. I've been wanting to do this a long time because I want to show you other parts of my life. And I thought, what better way to do that than to visit the sharks of Shark Tank Season 4, the behind the scenes. Let's go. Hey!
Hey, what's up, man?
How are you doing?
Long time, yeah.
Long time. It's been a year. Hi, Aman. What's up? What's happening? You're getting cooler every day. So, see, growing up, I've always had these good business ideas. I've written it down, but I never actually executed them. So, I wanted to, show you those business ideas and wanted to request you if you can help me pitch them better.
हाँ ट्राई करते हैं.
Welcome to the first season, first episode of Shark Tank, where we will be taking the sharks out of their water and
Tank.
putting them in the place of the participants who they've been grilling over the last 4 years. I'm going to be asking them to pitch business ideas to me, and whoever does a better job gets this fantastic award, which you get to keep in your bedroom. All right, let's begin.
With your photo on it.
Yeah, that's why it's so great, right? Shark Tank. So there are chits inside this. You guys get to pick one.
I have to pitch this.
No, but what? This is your idea. मतलब
This
ये
was,
इसमें-
yeah.
When you were a kid.
When I was a kid.
कुछ counseling किया उसके बाद improvement हुई कि
They
नहीं?
said they should not pursue that.
100%. Do not. But we'll still pitch. तो शार्क्स. मेरा नाम अमन गुप्ता है और मैं दिल्ली से हूँ और मैं आपके सामने एक इंटरेस्टिंग आइडिया लेके आया हूँ. उस आइडिया का नाम है डाइट वाटर.
What? Diet water.
हाँ, जैसे आप नॉर्मली पानी पीते हैं, पानी में जैसे आपका होता है डाइट कोला होती है, डाइट कोला में कम
Calories
होती है. वैसे ही आप डाइट वाटर लेके आए हैं तो इसमें कम कैलोरीज होती है. जैसे अगर आप ये लोगे तो आपको भूख भी कम लगेगी, राइट? सो ये बहुत ही आविष्कारी प्रोडक्ट है. हमने पहाड़ों से निकाला है. ये ऐसा पानी है.
ये हिमालय वाला पहाड़ है?
हिमालय से भी, मतलब हिमालय में भी ऊपर जाते हैं. जब हम माउंट एवरेस्ट की तरफ गए, मतलब सबसे उसमें जो पीछे वाला पहाड़ है ना, वहाँ से मिलता है. ये बहुत जैसे वो जड़ी बूटी टाइप्स होती है ना, ये कोई एक स्पेसिफिक पेड़ से
जड़ी बूटी?
वहीं से निकलता है, वहाँ से पानी.
ओह.
वहीं से ये पानी निकला है और ऐसा पानी में ऐसे कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है कि आपको ये पतला भी करेगा, कैलोरी भी कम है और भूख भी नहीं लगेगी. ये पानी पी के आप पानी हो जाओगे. कि इस आइडिया के लिए आपसे मुझे चाहिए 1 करोड़ रुपए. 1%.
तो इसका मतलब हो गया इस कंपनी का वैल्यूएशन 100 करोड़.
बहुत टाइम लगा आपको सोचने में शायद.
तो वो
भाई 10 करोड़ तो तुमने भी रेस किए थे.
वो अभी एफडी में है ना.
एक
उससे निकाल दो.
आपका सेल्स थोड़ा कितना होता है अभी?
अरे सेल्स के पहले ये तो पूछ भाई, पानी में कैलोरी कहाँ होती है? कहाँ से लाए हो? शार्क क्या नाम है? तो पानी में कैलोरी क्या होती है? डाइट.
Usually water has no calories, right? Right? So you add extra calories in this.
Then we remove it, no? Then we only have some calories left.
Okay, thank you, Aman, for your pitch. That was a fantastic pitch.
you.
1 crore will hit your bank account in 24 hours.
ठीक है. नहीं आया ना.
Okay, yes.
तू जानता है?
Virtually.
तू जानता नहीं है मेरा
Virtually.
दोस्त कौन है?
What do you think, Anupam? You think you can beat his pitch?
हाँ, मेरे पास तो यार.
Let's do it. Come on, let's do it.
Okay. लेकिन there is one condition. I will beat his pitch only if the loser takes this trophy, not the winner. Otherwise, I will gladly lose.
So, okay. All
You have
right.
to change it. Loser will take this trophy.
I'll think about it.
है ना?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Sharanks, today I have come to pitch my idea from a very personal and painful experience. हर सुबह मुझे 6 बजे उठना पड़ता था काम के लिए. मैं बड़ी नौकरी करता हूँ, गांव से आया हूँ, तो 6 बजे उठना पड़ता था. अभी उठे कैसे, रात तक लेट काम करता था. तो एक अलार्म क्लॉक खरीदी मैंने, और जो उसकी रिंग बजती थी सुबह 6 बजे, मेरी नींद खराब हो जाती थी और बड़ा गुस्सा आता था. पूरा दिन ऐसे लगता था कि ये मतलब शुरू बहुत बुरी तरीके से हुआ. तो मैंने एक आविष्कार किया है कि बॉस, ये आइडिया $multi-billion आइडिया है. I have come up with something called silent alarm clock. समझे कि नहीं? आपको सुनाई नहीं देगा.
हाँ.
ये लो भाई, तो ना रहेगी बांस, ना बजेगी बांसुरी दोस्त. तो ये है मेरा इनोवेशन, जो दिन भर रेस्टलेसनेस, बेचैनी पना ये सब रहता है ना, बिकॉज ऑफ वेकिंग अप विद दैट नॉइज, गॉन. It is silent. No sound. think only 1 crore, only 1 crore, I will give you 0.01% because ये tech product है.
Yes.
ये कोई ऐसा वैसा product नहीं है, tech product. और इसमें AI भी डाला हमने.
Okay.
हाँ, because the AI tells the alarm clock when not to ring.
तो okay. तो मतलब
Which
ये
is
अभी
pretty much all day.
this is pre-revenue, right?
अभी तो सेल शुरू की हमने pre-order लिए हैं. 1,000 pre-orders we have already.
भाई साहब ये क्या कर रहे
मतलब ये 10,000
क्यों कर रहे
करोड़
हो?
का कंपनी है.
हो क्या कर रहे हो और क्यों कर रहे हो
देखो आप थोड़ा हेल्थ लगता है मेरे को.
Of course.
तो what is the most important thing in health?
Sleep.
Thanks sir, thank you.
Yes.
आप मेरे को फंड करें. What is more important? Sleep और bloody noisy alarm?
Sleep.
Sleep. तो sleep का sleep भी हो गया. Only for 1 crore.
But
What a brilliant idea.
Through what mechanism does this device wake me up?
You just said you need sleep. Why should it wake you up? What are you talking about? You yourself are saying you need sleep. Why should it wake you
I
up?
think it's a good idea. I think you should fund it.
I can give you asked me 1 crore, right?
Huh.
I will give you 5 crores,
Okay.
but I want 100% of the company.
Done. Thank you, sir. All I want is your mentorship.
But it is a very good deal. I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy
Check
for
it, Diyo
you.
bhai.
You are so
Okay,
smart.
please.
Go for it.
Thank
And
you,
we have
thank you,
4
sir.
crores left
Thank
to
you
go
for
and
making me
get
realize my
One of
dreams.
the best chance
Thank
we
you,
had.
thank
in
you,
our
thank
life.
you, thank you, thank you. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you so much, guys. I
Okay.
think the winner is obviously
But good job.
is obviously
Good job on-
Anupam. Thank
No,
you so
but I
much.
don't get it. We agreed. Loser gets the trophy. Loser gets the trophy.
I think
Loser
you
gets
should
the
keep it.
trophy.
You keep it.
You keep it.
I think you keep it.
You guys have been doing it from the beginning, season 1, season 2, season 3, season 4. And
There
you're
is no
obviously-
Shark Tank without us.
Obviously, you guys are the OG sharks, right?
right.
So, in terms of how you see the evolution of the Indian startup ecosystem, let's say just from last year to this year, I think a lot of things have changed in terms of how easy or difficult it has been for new businesses to come, and what are those new business ideas that is getting steam, which you guys are getting excited about.
This Shark Tank season has been amazing. Good companies, newer entrepreneurs. Every year I think यार पहले वाले को कैसे beat करेंगे, and this year has been better than the last year. The variety is amazing from one spectrum to the other. You'll see a lot of things in this Shark Tank. There are a lot of new age companies which have come up with very different ideas and have got funding.
Can you give one example?
I can't tell you the whole detail, but there are some examples. Like there was a pickleball company which came in. Now I won't tell you whether they got funding or not, but there was a pickleball company. Now pickleball as a sport is evolving, मतलब बढ़ रहा है, right? Worldwide. Now to people to know what pickleball is and to then understand the business around a pickleball thing was very strange. To the old school cricket company which also came in. So it is a very cricket which is like a religion in the country. There was a cricket pitch and a pickleball pitch, which is a very unique thing which has come up.
So Anupam, before you answer, I did a little bit of research, and I heard that until now in Shark Tank, you have invested in almost 60-70 startups and upwards of 25 crores. Is this true?
I don't think it's quite that number. उतने commitments तो हुए होंगे for sure, but not every commitment translates into an investment.
Okay.
तो 10-15 करोड़ तो हो ही गए.
Investments in Shark Tank.
But up till season 2 what was happening, because it was 2021 and 22, एकदम bubble चल रहा था इंडिया में फंडिंग का.
Yes.
तो 22 तक लोगों ने realize नहीं किया वो bubble फूट गया है. तो when they used to come to Shark Tank, all these other so-called investors out there, angels, micro VCs, family offices, they used to get serious FOMO. और वो Shark Tank देख के they used to start chasing these founders. He will give you better terms.
Oh.
Then the founder used to come back to us and try to renegotiate valuation. और वो हम precedent wrong set करना ही नहीं चाहते. Because
Correct.
you do it once and you have to keep doing it.
Yeah.
तो हम हमेशा ना बोलते थे. Oh, फिर they go around, that deal would never happen, and after 6-8 months they come back, let's do the deal now. Obviously we don't want to do that. So 90% of the deals that don't get done because the founder is trying to change the term. There are 10% that don't go through because of diligence. जो आपने numbers बोले, they are not true, they are fundamentally off. So I think that's what happens. लेकिन by and large, if you're true to your numbers and you maintain your end of the bargain, the deal will get done.
The point I wanted to ask is that if I'm a young Indian today, living in India, and I want to work really hard and start something.
I thought you are.
No, if I am, as in I'm talking from the audience
Acha,
perspective, I
okay.
am,
Okay.
right? And I've also, I would say I've crossed that 0 to 1 phase, right? But today, in terms of crossing that 0 to 1 phase, a lot of people will think that, I don't have the funding, so I can't do this business. People will watch on Shark Tank, you guys giving money, and they'll be like, okay, they're very lucky, they got selected, paise mil gaya, to abhi, even if I got money, I can start a business. So what advice would you give to such people who think that I need money to start a business?
Which is not entirely wrong. Some businesses need some money to start a business. They are capital intensive businesses. And the fact that we were all deprived of the fact that there was no money being available for startup founders. Today, I feel that money is not a problem if you're doing well. If you have a good idea, if you've got execution ability, if you're a good founder, money will not be a problem.
So, what do you guys think of Shark Tank Pakistan?
भाई हो रहा क्या है वहाँ पे?
What do you guys watch? Have you watched it?
I've not watched it, but I've seen some reels and some people have tagged me that the 300 crore रुपए कोई दे रहा था और किसी ने बड़ा सही इंटरेस्टिंग था. अरे 300 करोड़ पाकिस्तान के लेके आए. हम तो ऐसी कंपनियां इन्वेस्ट कर देते हैं.
I'll be honest, पहले तो I've seen some clips, मुझे तो बहुत हंसी आई because there are a few things that are fundamentally technically wrong in terms of the investments and so on. But somebody invested some 300 crores on the show.
Okay.
The investment amount was 300 crores.
In the show.
In the episode.
In one of the episode, yeah.
Right, ऐसा थोड़ी होता है यार. लेकिन on a serious note, if we as a country want to progress and become a real superpower, it is very important that our neighboring countries also have economic growth.
Why is that?
See, when you don't have growth, when you don't have economic growth, what do?
You will try to
You will
steal.
create trouble.
Yeah.
Right? You will create trouble. If somebody is not productive, what are they doing? They are creating trouble. Even individuals. अगर आपके पास काम नहीं है तो आप क्या करोगे?
Yeah.
So same thing. If Pakistan is not productive, it will create trouble. And that trouble we have to live with, which will slow us down. So it is in our best interest that Shark Tank Pakistan inspires that entire country and puts them to work in the right direction so their economy also grows.
Nice.
So I think for that, I hope it becomes a great catalyst. But boss, बहुत funny है. First season तो बड़ा comedy है. आगे I hope it gets more serious. And let's hope for the best.
यार ये बेचारे परेशान नहीं हो रहे?
Yeah, I
Yo,
think Sharang.
I just realized.
That's the end of Sharang Tank, guys. We can end it.
I just realized there are two guys standing here.
सॉरी यार, ये भाई साहब ने आपसे क्या क्या कराते हैं.